The internal committee constituted by Nehu Vice-Chancellor in charge, Professor Nirmalendu Saha, submitted its report to the Ministry of Education on Wednesday. Speaking to the media, Professor Saha refrained from sharing details of the report, citing confidentiality. He also stated that while he could not provide an exact date, a two-member committee is expected to visit the university soon.
See, I was given a task by the ministry, okay, to provide some documents relevant to their grievances and all. So, with the help of my officers and few members from the teaching community, I could gather all the informations and that I could submit today. Please don't ask me, these are highly confidential. Even ministry also asked me not to disclose anything. You will come to know in due course of time. So let it remain confidential because otherwise this inquiry may be affected.
The fourth edition of the